Greetings, William C. Rogers back at you with another Easy1up review and training, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. As you can see on the main screen here, this is the Easy1up main corporate site, and for those who don't know, Easy1up is an e-learning platform. It's basically an online school that teaches you everything you need to know about starting, running a profitable online business or taking an offline business and bringing it online. Easy1up has many different product packages. These are the packages you see here, and they have many trainings, and we can go ahead on in the inside and the back office and take a look at just what we have here. And as soon as we come in on the main back office page, you can see there's actually a training right there from the CEO of Easy1up, Peter Woofing, and one of the main marketing guys with Easy1up. His name is Victor. You're really going to love what this guy has. He's constantly training, teaching us how to get conversions, and we also have another technical advisor over here now that's going to be coming in soon. You're going to learn a whole lot more. And even on this training here, as you can see, I don't know, someone asked a question, how do we find people to recruit? How do we get traffic? How do we get visitors to Easy1up? And they're actually answering that question right here. They're answering it. So there's no stone left unturned. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the products. I'm going to go ahead and go to the Vertex level and let you see some of this. And here we are at the Vertex product access page. Just wanted you to see everything that you're getting here, and you can see, let me go ahead and move my image around here so you can really see. Right here on the side, right-hand side, you'll see a menu with all kind of sub-topics, and these are the actual individual courses within this product package level. Each product package level has multiple courses within it. And you can see here, and all it is, you would scroll down and choose the particular lesson or course that you want to listen to, and it will play right here in the main screen. So that's what you're getting. Like I said, it's an e-learning platform. You come in, log in, and you click on the particular learning that you want to learn. That's how it works. Now, as I said, there are different levels in Easy1up. This is just the Vertex product access level, but there are many other levels. Let's go ahead and take a look back at those. We'll go to the product page here. And here we are on the product page. And these are world-class e-learning courses to match your budget. That's basically Easy1up right there. It's world-class e-learning courses that you can just, again, log into and watch at your leisure and learn everything you need to know about Easy1up and the different training courses, and ultimately how to run a profitable online business. Not just any online business, but a profitable online business. This is what Easy1up teaches. You'll see there's a sample of some training here. You can actually get training here for free. First package is the Elevation, and it's $25 for the Elevation. Those are just some of the main lessons in that product package. Then the Elevation Elite for $100. Those are the lessons in this product package. And the Vertex package that I just showed you in the back office there is for $250, a little advanced. These are just some, and then there's Vertex Elite for $500, very in-depth. Now, you might say, well, why does the Vertex Elite only have, 5 so far? Well, first of all, they're constantly adding lessons to each product package, but this Vertex Elite is very in-depth. This live business building course, part 1 and 2, and the drop shipping and the 50 non-stop traffic methods lesson course, They're very in-depth, and plus, if you purchase the Vertex Elite, you get all the packages that came before it. And that works with any package you select and purchase. If you purchase Elevation Elite for $100, you're going to get the Elevation package included. You see how that works? So the higher package you get, the more product courses you will receive. Now the next one after Vertex is Vertex Elite, as I said, and then there's Vertex Pro Connect for $1,000, and look at all of these course levels. All of these lessons are included, plus everything that came before it. Don't forget that. You're getting everything else under it. Now after the Vertex Pro Connect, there is also the Vertex Live for $2,000, which is where you'll receive tickets to the live events. Everything's going virtual now, but that's going to be lifted soon. You know what's going on with the pandemic that's going around on the globe. And that's it. Those are the product package courses. Now, an important thing that you must know, besides that you will get every lesson that comes before it, all the products, is there's also an affiliate opportunity attached to Easy1up. So whatever course package you come in at and purchase, if you refer this Easy1up opportunity as an opportunity to anyone so they can learn how to run a successful, profitable online business, then you will receive an instant pay commission of that product level. So for example, if you purchase the Vertex, you also receive all the product packages that came before it, but you will also earn an instant paid commission of $250. It will come to you. You will earn $250 if you purchase the Elevation Elite package, and someone comes in, purchase Elevation Elite, or they purchase the Elevation, you'll get $100 instant paid commission, or you'll get the $25 instant paid commission. But if someone comes at a level above what you yourself purchased, then you will not receive those commissions. So it pays for you to come at the highest product course level that you can come in at. That's important. You want to come in at the highest one you can come in at so that you can earn all the instant payment commissions. Yes, there are many of our members, many of our members making $2,000 instant payment commissions and $1,000 instant payment commissions and $500 instant payment commissions and $250 instant payment commissions. Yes, many of us are receiving this, many of this. And just think, just one $250 instant paid commission can actually pay some bills at your house, give you some extra grocery money and gas money. That can make a big difference to your household income. Believe me, I'm living proof of it. Now, I want to tell you that if you come in with me, William C. Rogers, if you join Easy1up with me, I'm going to give you some bonuses. First of all, regardless of whatever level you come in at, even if it's the $25 level, I'm going to give you the following. 89 privately that you can further learn. It's going to add to your learning that Easy1up also gives you. But these are also products that you can sell individually. That's what that phrase, private label rights, means. It simply means you can put your name on it as the author. If your name's Sam Jones, you can put this product was made by Sam Jones. It was produced by Sam Jones. You can change the graphics. You can put your logo in it. You can do whatever you want and sell them individually, or you can sell them bundled up They come with all the raw files you need, the sales pages. Many even come with squeeze pages so you can build your list. In fact, you can even give these products away, such as what I'm doing, as a bonus for anyone who would join you. And I'm giving this to you regardless of what level you come in at Easy1up. These are 89 products. If I was to go on the low-end cheap side and sell each one for just a measly $10, that would be $890. That's an $890 value, and that's on the low side, that you're getting for absolutely free just for joining me in Easy1up in any of the paid positions in Easy1up. I'm going to give you that. Now, I want to also let you know, for those of you who may choose to come in at the $250 Vertex level in Easy1up with me. Remember, I showed you that earlier. We were going through that in the back office. I'm going to give you something very special. Check this out. This is a product offer, a service that I've been offering for several years actually now, and everyone likes this. What it is a sales funnel, an affiliate marketing sales funnel. So what that means is you're going to have your own membership site that's going to have 300 plus how-to tutorials to learn everything someone needs to start an online business. This is in addition to what Easy1up offers. But the only difference with this Easy1up bonus that I, William C. Rogers, is giving you is that my team, my tech team, is going to build all the pages for you, all the necessary email sequences, everything that you need for a full-fledged sales funnel that is produced already over $321,000. Already, that's what this sales funnel has produced if you total it out between all our affiliates who come on and got this installation. It's a full installation process. You're going to have a site that looks like what you see on page. It's going to have a full membership, and it's all in your name. So whenever you sell access to it, you get, again, 100% instant paid same-day commissions. We don't play around here. We're giving you instant pay. You're not going to be waiting months and weeks just to get paid. This is the basic funnel here. You're going to be given a squeeze page. It's going to be made for you. Don't worry. You're not going to have to touch any coding or anything. 50 follow-up emails. This is the flow. The blog posts. The sales page itself. All this is going to be built for you. And that's an instant pay system. The upsell page, there's an upsell. When someone buys and purchases, they're going to be offered a one-time offer. That's going to be made for you. All of this, future products, the upgrades, all of this is made for you. You won't have to build a thing. This is an exclusive bonus that I am giving you. An Easy1up bonus from William C. Rogers. This is awesome. Awesome sales funnel. Awesome sales funnel. Gotta build it all for you. These are just some of the back-end products that will also be built for you. My tech team is going to do all the work. It'll take about 5 to 7 business days because this is definitely a manual process. But I'm giving it to you for joining me, William C. Rogers, at the Easy1up Vertex level. The Vertex level. You're getting that, plus you're getting the 89 private label rights products as well. That's right, folks. That's from me. So, how do you start this? How do you get these bonuses? How do you come in? Well, you're going to want to go to right here, which is at discover.easymoneysite.com. discover.easymoneysite.info. That's discover.easymoneysite.info. Just fill in the info right here in these spaces. Click here to reveal. You'll see a quick presentation of Easy1up. But of course, I've already showed you what's in Easy1up. You know Easy1up is an e-learning platform where you learn how to run a profitable and successful online business. You already know that. And what you're going to do is you're going to register on the inside and select and choose your product package level. And if you come in at that Vertex level, you'll get that sales funnel installation and the 89 private label right products that you can sell as your own. That's my Easy1up bonus to you. Once again, that address is discover.easymoneysite.info. You're going to see a page like this that looks similar to this. Fill in your info. Then you're going to register. Select your product package level. Vertex level you want to select and purchase so that you will get that sales funnel installation installed for you. You, of course, regardless of what paid level you come in and join me at, you're going to get the 89 private label rights product. I'm including all of that. That's my Easy1up bonus to you. Come on in, folks. We're waiting on you. I don't know how long I can keep these bonuses up. It's an incredible value. That sales funnel is a manual process that humans have to build for you. That's why it's going to take 5 to 7 days for the completion of you to receive that. That's a manual installation process. 89 private label products on the low end. The value is already at $890. All for you coming in and joining me, William C. Rogers, in the awesome e-learning platform known as Easy1up. You can come here to http://discover.easymoneysite.info. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right. Can't wait to see you on the inside, folks. Let's make money now.